you need to understand another concept which is very foreign to a ton of Catholics and super strange sa mga hindi Katoliko, and it's called indulgence. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng indulgence? If you ever hear of bakit nagkaroon ng Protestant Revolution, Reformation, because sabi nila Martin Luther, nung panahon nila, 14th century, ay mga church, bad yung mga yan, nagbebenta sila ng indulgence, ganyan ba? Isabihin nun, when you have money, you can buy stuff na merong corresponding indulgence. Ano yung sabihin indulgence? To be simply put, you have to be Catholic to understand this indulgence thing. I will say it as plain as I can. Pasensya na kung hindi perfect. You are sinful right now and then you die. Okay? But you believe in Jesus, all that stuff. But on this day, you sinned and you did not repent and you just died. Ang mangyari sa'yo, because of the mercy of God, very important to part na to yung mercy. Hindi natin i-assume na pupunta ka sa HELL. Okay? Because let's say 89% of your life, okay ka naman. Meaning to say, you follow God. Hindi ka good person. You actually follow God. You understand that love is sacrifice. You understand that pag magpapasal ka, hindi ka mag-give up, mag-file for divorce or separation. Or no, pag magpakasal ka, you suffer while loving. Katulad ni Santa Monica who would pray for 15 years para mag-transform ang anak niya na babaero at asawa niya na atheist. Naintindihan mo, love equals sacrifice, sacrificial love. Tapos on the last day, you did something wrong, nagkamali ka, one sin, I don't know, from the 10 Commandments, then you die. From our human point of view, hindi naman ikaw siguro sasabihan ng Diyos, I don't know you. Because on the last day of your life, you sinned. Therefore, go to hell. From our point of view, this is just used to explain this. Hindi ka pupunta sa hell. Ang mangyayari sa'yo, God will purify you for that last day of sin. Yan, Sami? Ipapurify ka na Diyos. Kasi, He wants you to be in heaven. He cannot accept you as you are kasi on that last day, you sinned. Ang definition, by the way, ng sin is like slapping God in the face 1 billion times. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng sin, in case hindi nyo alam. Para maayos yun, because patay ka na nga, hindi ka pwede mag-repent, hindi ka pwede mag-confess as a Catholic. Then, He will come closer to you, and the closer God comes to you, it's going to burn you. Not you, but the impurities ng sin na nakadikit sa'yo, like barnacles on a ship. Kung alam niyo yung barnacles, dumidikit yun sa mga ilalim ng ship. Even sa love of God, which is hot, it's hotter than the sun, is gonna come closer to you and the impurities will be removed. Maraming biblical verses dyan. I will not quote you because I am Catholic. I'm not gonna do that. But if I was prepared, I could throw you the verses. Okay, bottom line, yung tawag ng Catholics dyan is purgatory. Okay? Na yan, ayaw bigyan ng pangalan ng ibang grupo, Christians, kasi I don't know why. Bottom line, why am I explaining purgatory is because yung reklamo ng Martin Luther before was people are giving money to the church kasi sabi ng noon are, I don't know what those are. You will have 100 days indulgence. Yeah. Ano sabi ng 100 days? Yung purification time mo will be shortened by 100 days. Ano yung purification time? When you die, and God's coming closer to you, and then His love is stripping away the imperfections. By the way, why do people not like purgatory, especially Catholics? Masakit kasi ang purgatory. Every time, inisip mo si Michelangelo gumagawa ng sculpture, di ba? Tinatang ganun yung hammer tsaka chisel sa rock, no? This is made by Michelangelo. This is called the Pieta. How does it become like this? Michelangelo, he takes chisel, tapos mamartilyo niya yung chisel para magawa niya itong napakagandang Pieta. Okay? Gawa ni Michelangelo to. You were this. You used to be this solid marble. Para magawa nito, kailangan saktan ka. Wala masaktan ka if you're the marble. This is an example of purgatory. Example lang. Actually, sa ngayon nga, di ba, pag kinokore ka ng tao, nasasangta ka. Same story. Yung purgatory is the thing that happens at the end, after you die. Masakit yun kasi pinipurify ka. And people don't like the pain of purgatory. That's why, if you sell them indulgences, They want to decrease the amount of time, freeing of the purification time. Gusto lang mabawasan yun. John, why are we talking